Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SK Girly Skills. This video is about the basic tools and basic things which you need for your stitching project. So stay tuned till the end of this video because this video is going to be very useful for you. If you are watching my video for the first time, please like and share and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you will be notified for the upcoming videos. So let's get started with our video now. The first and the most important thing which you need for your sewing or stitching project is number one, a sewing machine. There are lots of varieties in sewing machines, so choose according to your choice. Here I am using, it's a brother machine. It's very famous brother machine GS2700. It's very easy to use and very manageable for the beginners. 27 kind of stitches are mentioned here, so you can use it whatever stitch you need according to your work. Number 2, scissors. Obviously you will need scissors for cutting clothes. Number 3, tailoring chalk. I use these kind of chalks. These are very easy to use, very soft. So before cutting the clothes, whenever you get the measurement of that cloth which you are going to make, so we mark it with this chalk and it's very useful. Number 4, measuring tape. Number 5, tailoring scales. These scales are very useful and made cutting very easy for the beginners. In this, it is a straight ruler in which one kind of it is mentioned in centimeters and the other side is in inches. So you can mark according to your measurement. There are different kind of rulers in it. Some are straight, some are curved. The French curved rulers are used in when you are cutting armholes and you are going to take the measurement of that. Some of these are used when you are cutting the trouser and it makes it easy to cut it, and some are while you make cutting the shirt. So these are very useful. This scale is called the French curved scale. This round one scale is also very useful. So I'm gonna tell you in my next videos about the usage of them and see how beautiful they have mentioned, and they are the all sizes of buttons and buttonholes in it, that which kind of button is gonna take the which kind of buttonhole should be the measurement. Number 6, tailoring canvas paper. This canvas paper is also very necessary in stitching, because whenever you're going to design something in sleeves or in trouser, or you're going to make any design on your neckline, so it's very useful. One side of it is rough and the other side is shiny because it's going to stick on the cloth with the help of iron. When you press it, it will stick on your cloth. Number 7, seam ripper. Seam ripper is also very important in stitching, because when the new learners always make a wrong stitch, so it is very useful in unstitching that cloth. Thread roll or thread reels. I always keep collection of reels with me that are mostly used, because most of time you don't have time to go to buy only for a one reel or to find it out. So just keep a collection of reels with you. I always keep the collection of small reels with me of different colors and a big roll of white and black color because they are mostly used. And my dear viewers, don't get bored. So I'm not going to make it a very long video. So I'm just shortening it. I'm not going to number the next thing. I'm just now telling you a few things that are also very important in stitching. Okay, I'm there mentioning their names that are also very useful. So the other things that you would also need is the most important thing is fabric that we are going to use. There are lots of varieties in fabric, so choose it according to your project. You would also need a mannequin, a collection of needles, some needle threaders, and these kind of pearl needles, collection of buttons, and varieties of laces. Tell me in the comments which thing is your favorite in stitching and how much you enjoy your stitching and in which language you want my next video, in Urdu, English, Hindi or Arabic. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and don't forget to subscribe.